Hey guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to my channel, and my name is Simple Care Steph on social media. Going to talk about some plants today, obviously. So I just want to first start off and apologize for the very inconsistent uploading lately. I know I'm not sure how much longer it's going to be like that, honestly, because I have been really busy. I do have multiple jobs, and I have a product line, and I also work as a private chef and just do lots and lots of things, and I'm pretty much always busy, and today is included in that. But I'm taking a little break, may or may not have had an adult beverage, but you know, I figured what better way to interrupt my day of work than with a little bit more work. So wanted to talk about some plants and give you guys a little update, plant haul kind of video on some new plants that I've gotten since my last update video. This is gonna be a fun one to edit. So I have a bunch of new plants to go over with you guys today, but just want to show you really quick one of the things that I have been busy on because I am very proud of it, and it is, as of now, I guess, becoming one of my new best-selling products, which is really cool because it's something, ooh, I hope you can't see through my shirt. Sorry about that. It's a product that I'm really excited about and have been wanting to make for a really long time. People are really liking it and ordering it, and that's awesome because I really think it's an awesome product, and I want to tell you about it really quick. So this is my new rosemary hair and scalp spray, and this is something that I've been wanting to make for a really long time, so I'm glad that I actually finally went ahead and made it. This is something that I made to kind of tackle my own problems with like hair thinning, hair loss, just not the healthiest hair condition, dry scalp, flakiness, itching, dandruff, all that sort of thing. This is made with things that are purely just to be beneficial for hair and scalp. So rosemary, it's actually mostly rosemary, which is awesome for like helping your hair grow and keeping your scalp strong and fighting dandruff, and it has some thyme and cedarwood and a little bit of tea tree and really good things. So I'll put a link so you can check it out. It is an awesome product, and also have like a new product that I just got some ingredients on. I'll tell you about that another time that I'm very excited about. But let's get into the plants because that's what you care about, I know. So as you can see, I have a number of new plants and dirty glasses, which is perfect. This is awesome. Prepared for this video. I painted 2 fingernails, went to Ulta, and then I put tinted moisturizer on half of my face. So again, who cares? Let's talk about the plants. Let's talk about this guy right here. Right here. This is the one that I was supposed to get in the mail if any of you guys saw my plant haul unboxing video, and the very disappointed result of that video was that this was nowhere to be found in my box, and all I got was a packing slip with a refund. That's that, but I didn't get a plant. But the plant store that I have mentioned a number of times in Montana, where I live, happened to have one of these when I just went to just not get anything as usual that day, and so now I have one. Because they had one, and like, what was I supposed to do? You can't say no. So if any of you guys don't know what this is a monstera. Adunci. Starts with an A. Or obliqua, although to be honest with you, I'm going to be honest with you right now because I'm not sure of the difference between the obliqua and that one, so I think this is also the obliqua, but I don't know. Anyway, so here's another plant. This is my new jungle velvet calathea, and I'm actually, tricks of video production. I'm filming this video at night. You had no idea. But you can tell that because the leaves of this plant are quite a bit more raised than they are during the daytime, because this is in the family of plants that is they move. So they respond to like times of day and light. So kind of like how what's it called? I can't think of it, but just like how a Maranta prayer plant, like that, raises its leaves, the calathea does the same thing. So I think they do that to conserve water, and that's why this one looks quite a bit more raised. But this is a jungle velvet calathea that I was able to get on sale, which may or may not have been a good price. I don't know, but I don't care because I really liked it, and I looked at it every time I went in the store, and I clearly I think need to mist this thing because I think it's drying out a little bit. Jungle Velvet, so it has like these really beautiful big leaves with this really pretty leaf pattern, and they are actually a little bit velvety, which is cool. Do you see it like me? And so far both of these plants have been pretty easy to take care of. I keep them in decent, oh, I'm finally getting a new leaf. So that's cool. I guess you're doing okay then. So I keep these in like bright, decent, well, I consider it bright for my house, but maybe it's not bright for your house, but I keep it in mediumly decent, indirect, very indirect sunlight. So far, I mean, I've got a little bit of yellowing on leaves, but that may be from overwatering probably because that's what I like to do to my plants. But easy to take care of so far. So this one I think I got for about $15 on sale, like I was saying, because it's not very healthy and it's got some leaf damage. I didn't want to cut the leaves off because I just wanted to like give it a chance to grow some new leaves, which it's finally doing. And this one is growing some new leaves, so I hope that this one actually starts trailing soon. Okay, so let's just move on. I'm going to talk about this because I want to move it so I don't kill it. I don't know the name of this. This is one of 2 new succulents that I actually don't know the name of, but these are 2 of my new plants. On to, have you ever seen one of these? I don't think that I have ever seen one of these before, and if I have, I don't remember, so I'm gonna say I haven't. This is a white fusion calathea. Just look, just get a good look. Look at this. Like, could not. So, yeah. Definitely wasn't planning to get this because I've never even seen it before, but I'm kind of a sucker for plants that have like these really kind of camouflagey, sort of variegated-y looking leaf patterns, especially with like different shades of greens and whites. I'm not like a huge fan of like the purple on this plant, but I just think it's so pretty from the top and I like couldn't pass it up. And the calatheas and marantas in my plants, the calatheas and marantas in my house, which are very similar, are all seeming to do very well. So I'm going to keep buying them. Confession. So speaking of it, here's another calathea, and I totally forgot to look up the name of this one. I'm so sorry. I was trying so hard to get the name of all of these, and I don't have the name of this one. This one is just a little baby that I bought on a whim, but I'm getting a new, at least one new leaf here. But like I said, like the calatheas and marantas in my house do very well for some reason. I think it's just because I have like really weird, like indirect, weird light in my house, so they like that. I don't know, and maybe because I overwater on my plants, they just like to be watered a lot. Oh, these bugs. This is a really pretty calathea that I bought just because I really like the leaf pattern on these when they actually start to turn white. These all still have a lot of purple, which again, I'm not a huge fan of like colored plants, which you would never know looking behind me, but I think these all eventually turn like this kind of just green and white pattern once the leaves mature. So that is what I will look like. But this one too is another one of the plants that lifts its leaves up at night. So during the day, these leaves are a lot more down, and now they like lift. So it's kind of cool that you can see them all like, because it looks crazy at night. If I can, I'll try to edit in a picture of these during the day so you can see what these look like and like the difference in the leaves, because it's pretty cool. Okay. This was a whim plant. This is a Ruby Cascade Peperomia that I think I got at Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that. I don't remember, but I wasn't planning to get this plant, but I'm really kind of in trailing plants a lot right now, so I thought it was really cute. I thought the leaves were really cute. They're kind of almost heart-shaped, but not. And I don't think I don't think this one has like loved where I've had it, so I'm probably gonna move it to a sunnier location. I think it's just like not been in the brightest sunlight, so it's not growing amazingly well. This, not a big deal, but this is a wandering Jew that I wasn't planning to get, but it's just pretty. I don't know. They're pretty plants. If you haven't seen a wandering Jew before, then this is what they look like. They have a little bit of kind of iridescence to the leaves, so like it's almost a little bit silvery. And this one, there's lots of different colors and varieties of Wandering Jews. This one is like, I'm kind of hoping this one might be like a tricolor, but it probably is not. I don't know, but it's like greenish and purplish and might have a little bit of pinkish. So it's really pretty, like more colorful. And then here, this one also, since we're talking about some iridescence, this is my, oh no, I did it. I think this is a silver pothos. So there's a silver pothos and a satin pothos, and I think people confuse those a lot. And I think this is a silver pothos because it has, oh, did I say that wrong? No. I think this is a silver pothos because it has more silver on the leaves. And then the satin pothos, which I actually have a cutting of that I'm growing, just has like little random kind of little dots of like the little silver iridescence. Oh no. This is another trailing plant that I got because I really like trailing plants and I like the different kind of look of the silvery green leaves. I think it's really pretty, and I don't know, it's not like you buy plants and I have all trailing plants today. This is, I'm not sure. This is, I think, it's maybe some variety of an orchid cactus. That's what it kind of looks like to me. I have a curly orchid cactus, and then it kind of looks like a version of an orchid cactus or some type of orchid cactus plant or a trailing succulent. I'm not sure. I can't remember because I don't think that I have the name of it. This plant, I'm not sure if this is happy or not because I don't know if this is normal or not. But some of the edges and tips of this plant are starting to look like they're dying, so I'm thinking that's not totally the best. So this is this plant and it's cool. I think it looks really cool when it grows. So this is an some type of variegated ivy that, I wonder if I can find the name for this really quick. Let's see, white variegated ivy. So maybe it's just called white variegated ivy? Well, my video stopped recording for some reason and I continued talking for quite, I don't know how long, so I think I was done talking about the ivy. So let's just get into the last plant because I think I only had one more plant to go, which is my rat-tail cactus. This is my rat-tail cactus that, again, it was another plant that I was not planning to get, but I just think it's super cool. And it's another trailing cactus, trailing plant, because I really like trailing plants apparently. And I don't know, I bought this one on a whim. I think I paid like $4 for this, so like pretty cheap. But it's been growing a lot. It has a ton of new growth on. You can see all the little new babies and has like new growth here and stuff. So it's been really easy to take care of, as I think like a lot of cactus are. You just don't really water it that much and you keep it in a bright location, which is what I've done. So it's working out well. And I really like this plant. And that was what that's what I was saying when my video died, is that I was saying, tell me which one is your favorite in the comments, because I'm trying to figure out which one of these is my new favorite, because I waited for this one and then I finally got it. So that kind of makes this one just like I actually finally got you and I wanted you for so long. But then like it wasn't even, I've never seen this before. So, oh, also this one, it's also like you can see a lot of the underside of the leaves because this is also a calathea that's lifting its leaves at night. So just cool. I'll try to put in a little clip of the daytime so you can see the difference. Like I said, it looks a lot different from the top and during the day. But also, so this is the prayer plant that I was just talking about. And here's a little update on how the propagation on the first little baby is coming along. And so, as I was saying in one of my other videos, I think it would be really cool to do a giveaway and maybe give away this guy who, you know, has a little bit of cat chew-ness on it, sorry. But it's still a free plant. But do one of these and then also one of my little fiddly fig babies that is propagating nicely. But I thought it would be pretty fun to maybe do like a little giveaway when those are ready to be, you know, planted and shipped off to a new home. But anyway, yes, So you should say subscribed for updates so that you know when that is happening, and you can get updates when I post new videos, because I'm going to be buying more plants, so you want to see that. And I'm going to be doing an update video soon on all of the other plants and how they are coming along in comparison to how they were coming along, because I have some good updates and I also have some unfortunate, people that didn't make it. You can follow me on Instagram at SimpleCareSteph if you would like, and check out my website simplecareproducts.com for my products, because I have awesome, wonderful products that are made with real ingredients like rosemary and essential oils like cedar and tea tree and thyme and rose, and really good toners and masks. And I have a really cool under eye product coming out that I just got some things to play around with that I'm going to play around with tonight, because I get to do that. So I'm making like a really cool eye thing with some things that I can't tell you about yet. So subscribe and follow me on Instagram at SimpleCareSteph so that you can find out and go to my website and all of that. Thank you guys for watching, and please let me know in the comments what you think, which one of these is your favorite. I would really like to know if you have any feedback or growing tips or anything. I love getting those from you guys. I really appreciate those, and I'm sure that the people who see those find those helpful. Yes, I don't know how to end. That is all, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.